Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Here you are seeing in front of me Sony Alpha camera, and now I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. Aspect ratio determines the width or haze ratio of your photos. So open menu, and here we see, as you can see, aspect ratio, and here we have 3:2, 16:9, or 1:1. So 3:2 is a common ratio that matches the shape of the camera sensor, providing a traditional photo look. So 16:9 is cinematic mode. So I suggest you use for normal photos 3:2. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.